Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I'm gonna let you in on my other side of my studio. I have a big table back here that Rick built for me with shelves underneath it. And this is where my paintings dry, and this is where I come to finish my art. So I thought I'd go ahead and videotape this. A lot of it will be in fast forward because I really take my time with it. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but it's well worth it, guys. If you're going to be selling your art, you want to send it off to your peeps in the best possible condition that you're able to. Excuse me. So let's talk about what we're doing. This piece of art that's sold to Sweet Joe, and I am getting ready to put a backing on it, put the frame on it, and then send it off to her. So we're not going to talk about packing. If you want to see the best way to pack up your art, Sandra Lett has a fantastic video on how to create and make custom boxes and whatnot that is really well worth a watch. So head on over to Sandra Lett's channel and take a look. This is a 20 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas, and I am going to tell you what tools I use. First of all, I always have a really nice soft cloth to put my artwork on because I have to turn it upside down to apply the paper. So what do we need? We need paper. I buy this at Lowe's. It comes in a big old roll, and I cut it just a little bit bigger than the art is. And then I'm going to show you how I use my straight line tool, which is right here, my razor blade in this little razor blade container holder thing, and I try to change the blade quite often so that the paper cuts are very nice and straight. We need a measuring tape. We need a pencil, which is right here. We need a flathead and a Phillips head screwdriver. We need special double-sided tape. Now, I can't tell you where to get this. I'm still searching for it. A very good friend gave me about 6 rolls of it, and bless her heart, she passed away about a month and a half ago, and I will do my best to figure it out because this is the best double-sided tape that there is. It's nice and thin. I started using the Scotch in the beginning of my painting journey, but it did not hold really well. You also need a little spray bottle of water, preferably one with a very light mist, because I'll teach you a trick of the trade. Paper can shrink. So after I put my paper on the back of this canvas and I secure it with the tape, I lightly mist it with water and I hit it with the warm heat of a blow dryer. What it does is the fiber in the papers tends to shrink a little bit, and the paper tightens up just like a drum, which is very, very nice. And you'll be seeing me do that, but I'll have to move it into the other studio where my blow dryer is. What else do we need? We need D-rings. If you're putting it in a frame, you need your D-rings. You also need your clamps and your screws to hold the art in the back of the floating frame, which I will also show you. And what else do we need? Wire, which is not out here. Your D-rings are what you put your wire on. So I think that's it. I'm going to go ahead and put some tunes on for you, get busy, and hopefully I'll be able to teach you a thing or two about how to finish up your art. Glad you joined me, guys.
With your